In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light bulbs on this Volvo S60. These are going to be located at the base of your front bumper. Let's get into it. Underneath the vehicle, you can see on the back side of the fog light where the bulb is. You're just going to twist where this wing nut looks. You're going to pull this out. You can grab the bulb and it comes right out. The seal right here, it's going to go around there. Take the bulb. There is a flat spot on the socket. You want to line that flat spot of the bulb up with the flat spot on the socket. And then you just push it in, just like that. There's a little spring tension there. We'll get this lined up. Slide that into the fog light. Slide that into the fog light. Push it in, and then twist it to the right. Lock it in place. You can do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.